Welcome to solverfy.
All right, let's go ahead and solve this problem. So Newton's method to approximate a root. So basically what the Newton methods do is this. You randomly first pick a point. For example, if I picked a point right here, the y value is going to be located right there. Now what I do is I draw a tangent line at that point. And that is going to be my guess of the root. Let's call it R1, okay? Now, if that doesn't seem like it actually is the root, I can actually continue. Now what do? I actually plug in that point again, and now I get this height. Let's draw the tangent line. It's going to look something like this. So here, I can call it R2. So as you can see, the second guess seems like it's going to be a better approximation to the actual root, right? Now, this method seems like it worked really well for my choice of, let's call it R0, for example. I could have also done something like this. Now, this is a little bit artificial, but if I chose a point to be a root right here, can you see that this is a horizontal line right there? If I happen to choose a point where the tangent at the slope is going to be completely horizontal, I will actually never reach a root anymore. So I won't be able to approximate anything. So that's one of the things about the Newton's method. If you don't get a good guess in the very first try, you might not actually get a really good estimation. However, I'm just going to still use this process in order to get the solution or try to answer the question that the book gives us. Okay, now they are telling you, what if my initial guess is 1? I'm going to call that x naught. If x naught is equal to 1, I will start at this height. The tangent line here looks like it's going to be something like this. So my guess is going to be, let me actually draw that a little bit straighter, like this. There you go. That's a little better. Still not the best drawing, but I can guess that the next point is going to be somewhere around here. That's avoiding the horizontal tangent, so it'll be pretty good. As you can see, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, maybe 3.2 or so. So that could be my first guess. And of course, my drawing is not really the most perfect, and there's no precise answer to this particular question because it's not like we're doing an analytical calculation. So it's just all an estimate, okay? So x1 could be 3.2. Now if I draw a tangent line from here, I can see that this is going to be my next guess, x2. It's going to look like it's going to be about 1.8 or so. If I want x3, now I use this point. Now this one looks like it's going to be a very good guess. So somewhere around there, maybe 2.4 or so. Let's call that x3. And when you plug in that value, you will see that the y is going to be very close to 0. So you can decide to stop right there, or you can keep on moving and trying to find the next tangent line. So long story short, what you do is plug in the initial guess into the y value, find the tangent line, and this point is going to be your guess for the root. And if you're not satisfied with that, you just continue on with the process. Okay, and that's the Newton's method.